Alfred, I've got a lock on the signal used to remotely control the sniper rifle. Joker's behind this.
Was there ever any doubt?
The radio signal should lead me right to him.
Good luck, sir.
They should have been back here hours ago. I don't know. They know the rules. I keep telling you guys, get back here before it gets dark. Maybe Two-Face's crew got him. Damn it! Why the hell didn't they listen? This is the only place we're safe. We stay in here, and those animals don't bother us. You're telling the wrong person. I know. Why did they go out? Food, I guess. They should have waited. They were hungry. Hell, we're all hungry. I haven't eaten for days. We're dying here. We're safer here than out there. I'll get us some food. How? Every time Strange drops some, those bastards get it first. We don't stand a chance. I'll figure something out. Trust me. Look at 'em, eating that crap like pigs.
Yeah, the clown's crew's got no class.
No way.
It's the freaking bat! Full yet? Not even close.
Welcome, inmates. You are now taking your first tentative steps towards a better world. A world of fun, mischief, and that's all. A world where the only person you need to answer to is yours truly.
Not if you like eating dog food, it don't. What? You're kidding, right? Yeah, I don't believe it. Up to you. You don't see Joker or Harley eating that crap, do you? So, what's the policy today? Word is we shoot every sorry-ass loser that comes this way. Okay. Wait a second. Doesn't Joker's PA say he takes anyone?
Augmented reality training activated.
Yesterday we took him in the back room and burned off their skin.
Augmented reality training failed.
Interesting. Sounds dangerous. You're just lucky you joined on a good day. I guess I am. Harley back yet? Yeah, got back a while ago. She was all pissed about making sure some doctor lady got taken to the Joker. Did she? Yeah, she was dragged out of an ice cream truck by Dom and Harry. Those two? Did they, No. Well, I don't think so. Makes a change. Remember that crap those two got up to outside this place? It was disgusting. And that's coming from a serial murdering cannibal. I've got standards, man. Way what I do with those two used to.
Listen up, dumbasses, and listen carefully. As you know, Mr. J he's not himself. And the last thing he needs is any so-called superhero coming in here and stopping his recuperation. That's where you come in, morons. You need to protect the steel mill. Protect it with your life. Because if you fail, I'll make sure your miserable lives don't mean zip.
I know what you guys are
You
thinking.
get it? Good.
Inside the Joker Enterprises, everything is ruined.
How the hell are we supposed to get in there?
There's gotta be a way.
All of
What
it.
Batman
But
doing?
look on the bright side.
Do I look
At
like
least
Batman?
you know what you're getting yourself into.
He
I
could
can
get
promise you
in.
this.
How do you think he'd do it?
Never.
He'd use his grapple thing. I guess he could go in through the main tower.
Great. Have you got one? Nah. Okay, let's get this straight. The only way in is through one of the main cooling tunnels?
Suppose.
The tunnel full of boiling water and poisonous gas? Yeah, we could build a boat. And the gas?
Gas masks?
So, let's get this straight. You geniuses think that the best way in is to build
across the boiling ocean wearing gas masks to stop us getting killed.
Yeah, let's do it.
Alfred, I need to find a route into the Sionis steel mill.
Have you tried the front door, sir?
Why didn't I think of that?
It was obviously too easy. Let's see. If all the other access routes are locked down, the only way in would be... No, it's suicide.
The main chimney. Okay, then.